Welcome to TSS Associates Guide for the Bosch Singular Boiler. Today, we'll show you how to troubleshoot an EO error code. Let's get started. If you are receiving an EO error code, the ambient sensor has shorted or is disconnected. To troubleshoot, you will need a multimeter and leads. First, check the assembly condition of the control board and the temperature sensor wire. Reassemble the control board and the temperature sensor wire. Then check the temperature sensor wire for a short. If it is shorted, then replace the temperature sensor. If you don't find a short, then see if the resistance of the temperature sensor is normal, and if not, then replace the temperature sensor. A normal resistance will read 10 kiloohms at 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Replace the control board if the resistance of the temperature sensor is normal. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this training video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Have a great day.